Hello guys, welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make these delicious pigeon peas in coconut milk known as Mbaazi in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. With this recipe, I will use 1 cup of pigeon peas. You can soak them for about 3 to 4 hours, or if you don't have the time, just boil them immediately. Put enough water and let them boil till soft. Once your pigeon peas are cooked, it's high time to cook them in coconut sauce. You will need cooked pigeon peas, 1 cup of thick coconut milk, 2 cups of light coconut milk, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, 1 slice of onion, 1 Maggi cube, 1 chopped tomato, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Add all the ingredients mentioned in the beginning except the thick coconut milk. Add the light coconut milk, 1 onion, ginger garlic paste, 1 tomato, curry powder, Maggi cube and some salt, and bring it to boil in a medium heat till well cooked and the coconut milk is less. Let the peas cook till soft and the coconut milk is less like this. Then your pigeon peas are ready. Remove from the fire and place in a bowl. In a separate small pot, add the thick coconut milk and cook it till it becomes more thicker and less. Keep on stirring constantly till your coconut is thick like this. Then your coconut milk is ready. Remove from the fire and let it cool down. Once the thick coconut milk has cooled down, pour on top of the cooked pigeon peas to add an extra amazing taste, and your coconut pigeon peas are ready. And my coconut pigeon peas are ready, as you can see in the video. Serve on a plate and you can eat along with mandazi, chapati or bread or anything you prefer, and enjoy your pigeon peas. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.